First, open Google and search for the Smart Tool library. Click on GIF Animation Compression. Click the big blue arrow to select the GIF image that needs to be compressed or resized. Select the compression strength and target size. The higher the compression strength, the more severe the distortion, but the smaller the file size. Click Start Compression and wait for the system to process. If the compressed image is still large, you can choose to customize the compression strength and set the color range. The smaller the value, the more severe the distortion, but the smaller the file. For more useful gadgets, please collect the Wisdom Tool library.